Welcome back to another book cover review. Today we're taking a look at Cooking with the Seafood Steward, Gary Rainer Puetz. And here on the front cover, we can see here a photo of the author at work here and the title as well. If we look on the binding, again, the title, author, and this is from Arnica Publishing. If we continue on the back, more stock photography, barcode and pricing information at the time, and some reviews. If we continue on the inner flap, we can see here a little bit of a description. And continuing, more information about the author and the photographer, Rick Schaefer. If we take a look at the cover of the hardcover itself, we can see here kind of a glossy blue and a metal embossed fish. Very nice. Title also in metallic with the author and the Arnica Publishing logo there, and a plain back cover. Inner cover pages have this fish art illustration. If we continue, we have the title page, larger title page, again with a photo of the author, and then our publishing information. This is from 2009, as well as some disclaimers as well that should be noted. Here we have a dedication page. Acknowledgements, as well as you can see here a lot of information on different ingredients. And then our contents. You can see here this bubble motif is actually carried through, if you look closely at the dust cover itself right there. Kind of interesting. So again, table of contents, continuing across several pages. And if we jump to the back, the last number page is 198 as part of a concordance style of index, as well as you see here a props list of what was used on each of the page items listed there. So if we jump back here, we can see here a foreword by David Rosengarten, a preface there statement, Henry David Thoreau, and some statements from the author, the introduction, and then you can see here how kind of have little steps and guides before we actually get into various recipe items with the text and accompanying photos. And of course, these all have some sort of relation to seafood. But you can see there's a lot going on here through various menu items. But taking a very quick look at Cooking with the Seafood Steward, Gary Rainer Puetz. This has been another book cover review. Feel free to check out other book review media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos, as well as show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. And we also do a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.